আমাদের এই লেকচারের এই পর্যায়ে আমরা যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব সেটা হচ্ছে যে আইএলটিএস স্পিকিং পার্ট 1 এর যে টপিক গুলো আছে সেই টপিক গুলো নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করব। তো আমরা জানি যে approximately 40 or 41 topics in speaking part 1. So we have to understand, we have to know the 40 or 41 speaking part 1 topics. So right now, we're going to say speaking part 1 topics. Okay. So following is a list of possible topics that you should be ready to talk about in speaking part 1. So আমরা প্রথমত দেখতে পাচ্ছি family, friends and colleagues, study, work, school, workplace, hometown, living place, home, accommodation, name, clothes, fashion and jewelry, gift, daily routine, daily activities, food or cooking, drinks, going out, hobbies, interest, language, leisure time activity, games, sports, future plan, music, neighbors or neighborhood, newspapers, pets, flowers and plants, reading, music, dancing, exercise, shopping, magazines and TV, transport, traveling, interesting place, bicycle, seasons, maps, internet and technology, such as telephone, email, social media, etc., weather, festivals, culture and tradition. So if you know the topic of speaking part 1, that will be easy for you and you can take preparation more easily. And I think if you follow these 41 topics and if you take preparation on these topics, it will be easy to understand and you can deliver your speech properly if you take preparation on these 41 topics of speaking part 1. So all the best. Thank you so much.